Hello, Sam. Yes po, naka-open po, ma'am.
Black out kayo sa akin.
Naglalag ka din po sa amin, ma'am. Opo. Hello, Boss Lab.
Anyway, ganito na lang gawin.
Hello, Systematic.
Stress ako dito sa mga
Kunwari, lag si ma'am. Pero ang totoo, gusto lang mag-dismiss ng maaga. Hello, Ate.
What is organization or behavior that is part of that and the individual behavior, the
Ay,
one
kruk-kruk.
that we already discussed.
Ay, shish.
We have two
Diba?
important topics.
Sabi ko, ma'am, naglalag ka, ma'am. Hindi naman talaga siya naglalag. Para lang maaga siyang mag-dismiss. Kasi na guguluhan ako sa kanya. Hello, Kio. Hi, Bridge.
I will send you the whole model.
The whole? Butas yun.
That,
Hello, Nicholas.
Blackout na naman kayo sa akin. Nakikita
Hello,
niyo ako?
Kio.
Yes po. Yes po. Okay.
Happy birthday, Lorraine.
So,
Mahal.
the diversity of the organization
Sino yun?
and the attitude and job satisfaction. Can you write this? So we will have a comparison.
Ilang na. Off ka muna. Vape na
Diversity
ako.
and organization, attitude and job satisfaction.
Lag naman siya, din niya naman alam. Bakit Twilight? Off cam na lang, vape lag naman siya. Diba?
So that's the scope.
Vanilla
Plus, of
Twilight.
course, what is organic?
Hello, Mysterious Man.
Organizational behavior and the human behavior. That is the scope of the feeling. What
Hello, Uro.
I will
Jan.
do in I will make
Hello, Trent.
modular.
Hello, Pululi. Hello, CJ.
With this kind of thing.
Good morning,
Because
guys. Ay, good afternoon na. Masakain na kayo.
Typhoon that is coming. And we do not know yet. Para
Hello,
lahat ng
Lawrence.
nakasakop sa premium sa midterm semifinal
Thank you.
ay ano na ninyo, kuhanan ninyo. Okay? So all we have to do is, if we have a very good opportunity, we will discuss. Nevertheless, if not, you already have your module. Okay? So, this time, the three,
Hello, Templity. Wait,
I
guys.
will make it sure na
Ano ba?
naka-post sa inyo sa screen, considering na wala tayo
Kita
GC. Kung may GC
Kita
sana
niyo yung
tayo,
aking
is
yes.
screenshot
Hello,
na lang.
full moon. Full moon niya? Ikaw ba si full moon niya?
Considering na wala, and nobody
Hello, Dahon.
make the GC, i-module lang po sa inyo lahat. Is that okay with you?
Follow back. Bubble Dragon muna.
Do you
Sige
have
na,
any
oh.
suggestion?
Pang almusal, oh. Hello, Kanach.
Or instead of modular?
Joke. Ayan, na-follow back na kita.
Sorry.
Hello, Angkas. Hello, Kael.
Do you have any suggestion? Kasi what I am planning to do is in case of anything that happens again, because we have another 4 typhoons.
Ano ay classes?
Now, I will really